In this video, I will show you how to fix an auto clicker in Minecraft not working. So if an auto clicker is not working, what you can do is you can just first check the game compatibility. This ensures that the server or game mode you are playing allows the use of auto clickers because there are a lot of multiplayer servers that considers them cheating. So if this doesn't work, what you can do is you can head over it here to your window icon and then restart your computer. Another option to that is to run the auto clicker as administrator. So you can head over and then just locate it and then make sure to right click on it and run as an admin. So for example, we have in here this option. For example, this is your auto clicker. You can right click on it, and then once you have done that, it should be able to open in here the actual run as administrator option. So right click on it right here, and then here's run as admin. Make sure to run it as administrator in order to give it access. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.